The MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is a powerful and efficient direct-to-film printing solution designed to elevate your fabric printing experience. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this printer at the latest price available. This printer features an advanced XP600 printhead that doubles the printing speed compared to the commonly used L1800, allowing for faster turnaround without compromising print quality. With an impressive maximum resolution of 2800 by 1400 dpi, it produces vivid, sharp images with rich color saturation, perfect for customizing t-shirts, bags, hats, jackets, and various other fabrics such as polyester and leather. Operation is made simple and intuitive through the integrated 5-inch LED multifunction touchscreen, which allows quick adjustments of nozzle inspections, cleaning routines, and print layout settings. This smart interface, coupled with a high-performance motherboard, minimizes traditional printer errors, increases reliability, and reduces waste, making your printing workflow smoother and more cost-effective. The built-in automatic timed cleaning and white ink circulation system ensure that the printheads remain unplugged and moisturized, dramatically lowering maintenance needs and prolonging the machine's life. This anti-blocking technology is crucial in maintaining consistent print quality and avoiding costly downtime. Beyond hardware, the MZK A3 Plus comes with a comprehensive package that includes an A3-sized DTF oven, a 100-meter roll of DTF film, 5 bottles of 250 milliliters DTF inks, DTF powder, cleaning accessories, and a flash drive containing detailed instructional videos. This all-in-one set ensures you have everything needed for a seamless printing process from setup to production. Additionally, the printer supports continuous long image printing with just one-click operation, enabling higher productivity for businesses handling bulk orders. The latest software upgrades are provided free of charge, enhancing usability while removing any concerns about virus threats during installation. MZK offers dedicated lifetime technical support to assist with installation and troubleshooting. Expert engineers provide remote guidance within 24 hours if needed, ensuring users feel confident operating the printer from day one. For customers purchasing after November 28, 2024, a special 2-year ink supply program is available, providing ongoing access to ink and powder by simply covering shipping costs within the US. This generous offer reduces running costs and makes the MZK A3 Plus XP600 an excellent investment for small businesses and print shops looking to scale efficiently. In summary, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 is a highly reliable, fast, and user-friendly DTF printer that delivers professional quality prints on a wide range of fabric types.